Hello everyone, welcome to the Explorer Bug channel. So I hope everyone is doing well and everyone is safe in this kind of situation as we are in. So I hope you already understood that what this video will be all about, and the reason I don't create this kind of video first of all, but the reason of creating this kind of video is that I got few text in my Facebook page of my channel, and at the same point of time I got few comments as well from my subscriber that I should be highlighting uh, about these applications which we should use, which we should not. We are hearing about boycott Chinese. I should upload a video. Yes. So as you all know, Government of India has banned 59 Chinese application based on the incident that happened between India and China a few days back in the border, and I believe that was much needed. So this app, all these 59 application were and are very popular in the Indian market, in Play Store, in App Store, everywhere, especially with our generation. So now all the apps are banned. They're going to be banned soon. And what are the replacement? Do we have? Everyone thought that we don't have any replacement. Like we don't have any replacement for laptops. If we need to buy a laptop or phone or any kind of electronic gadgets, then we don't have. We have to buy a Chinese product. I have researched today and I found that we have sufficient application which can easily replace these applications which we are completely dependent on. And I'm going to tell you, and don't worry, I have researched a lot. You can use this application without any worry. So what I have done, so before starting this video, I want to request to everyone that please ये video last तक please देखो. Keep watching this vlog till the end. You will get all the information regarding all the apps. Everything will be there in this video itself. And also I will mention in the description so that you can understand, you can get the links as well. So let's start the video. Please like this video and share with your friends, colleague and everyone so that they also get to know, because right now everyone is looking for alternatives in terms of applications. So let's start the video without wasting much of our time. Let's start. What I've done is that I have created segments on the apps feature like file sharing and file manager feature apps, then social media and entertainment apps. This kind of category I have done, and then browsers, and then so productivity and utility, everything. So let's start with file sharing and file manager. So in file sharing, the banned apps are our favorite Share, Zender and ES File Explorer, which I am not aware. So please tell me if you are using that application. So I have researched a lot and I found that there are two applications which are very good, and I have gone through the reviews as well. I myself have downloaded in my phone and it's working fine, absolutely fine. There is an Indian app. The name of that application is Share All with this logo, and the second one is from Google. That is very much reliable as well. First one is from India, Share All. Second one, Files by Google. You can search in the Play Store, search in the App Store. Very good alternatives of Share It and File Explorer and Zender. And next come, first of all, 2 minutes of silence for all the TikTokers. I'm extremely sorry, I can't do anything. कुछ नहीं कर सकते यार. I understand that जो भी चल रहा था TikTok, YouTube, जो भी चल रहा था, I completely understand. And even I am from YouTube. I have also my personal opinion. But I really support the creativity. I really support if someone is doing something creative on his own. If he or she does not need any support from outsiders or from a third party, then I really support, and I really like that. So I don't have any problem with the TikTokers or YouTube. All are independent platform, all are famous platform and popular platform. But TikTok is not one. कुछ नहीं कर सकते. So the banned apps are TikTok, Kuai, I don't know, then Hello, Like, Weibo, Bigo, YouVideo, हैगो ऐप जो हम लोगों ने सिर्फ यूट्यूब जब खोलते थे, गाना खोलने के टाइम में ऐड आता था, मैंने कभी डाउनलोड नहीं किया. उसके बाद उसके बाद आया है next comes up Vigo Video, then Viva Video. I want to share one thing, that if you have the creativity, if you have the talent, tell me one thing: do you need an app to showcase your talent? I don't believe so, because if you have follower, if you have the talent, you can be popular everywhere, even it is YouTube, TikTok, Vigo Video और Hago के वो पता नहीं, छोड़ो जो भी है. So alternatives of these applications are Instagram. You can create video and upload in Instagram, Facebook, and also one more I found. So Dub Smash. I saw few videos, but I haven't downloaded that. But I believe I have gone through the reviews. That's a good application. TikTok का replacement है. तुम लोग नाच सकते हो, एक्टिंग कर सकते हो यार. So 2 applications I have gone through the reviews as well. So Mithro, not ये Mithro. So Mithro application, ये वाला. And then one more is Chingari. And I have gone through, one of the news is that Chingari application have received 10 lakhs downloads yesterday. So people are migrating from TikTok to this Indian application. And don't go by the names only. So TikTok only in the beginning used to sound like a funny name, but now it's a popular platform. And if you start using this Mithro and Chingari and upload videos in Instagram, Facebook, if you upload, then this application will also be famous like TikTok only. And now let's come into another section, another category, which is the browser. In browser सच में बोलो यार, मैंने तो कभी इंस्टॉल नहीं किया यार ब्राउज़र. यहाँ पे यूसी ब्राउज़र को, सीएम ब्राउज़र मुझे पता नहीं है, अपूस ब्राउज़र मुझे पता नहीं है, ड्यू ब्राउज़र मुझे पता नहीं है. यूसी ब्राउज़र का नाम बहुत सुना है, बट आई हैवंट इंस्टॉल दैट, बिकॉज फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग फ़ोन में जो ब्राउज़र बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट आता है, दैट इज़ मोर देन सफिशिएंट टू यूज़ फॉर एनी पर्पस, टू ओपन एनी साइट वॉट एवर यू वांट. अभी अगर यूसी में जाके तुमको कुछ और करना है, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग. इनबिल्ट ब्राउज़र सही है. एंड वन मोर इज गूगल क्रोम. डाउनलोड गूगल क्रोम. इफ़ यू वांट टू यूज ए सेपरेट ब्राउज़र, गूगल क्रोम जैसे लैपटॉप में चलता है वैसे फ़ोन में भी चलेगा. मैंने डाउनलोड किया है. नाउ लेट्स कम अप टू द अनदर सेक्शन, प्रोडक्टिविटी एंड यूटिलिटी. दैट इज़ वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट टू मी स्पेशली. कैम स्कैनर आज से मैंने इंस्टॉल करके नहीं रखा था. इट हैज़ बीन I have been with Cam Scanner approximately now 5 years. Was in my Android phone, now in my iOS phone, everywhere. Cam Scanner का alternative है, सच में बोल रहा हूँ. I have downloaded. I'm using this from the past 1 month. 2 application है. एक है Adobe Scan, एक है Office Lens. बहुत ही बढ़िया है. I'm using Office Lens. That's super cool. यूज़ करो यार. Uninstall कर दो. And Cam Scanner में by the way, जो फाइल्स है, यू कैन ट्रांसफ़र ऑल द फाइल्स टू योर ईमेल. दैट विल हेल्प. एंड और एक है प्रोडक्टिविटी एंड यूटिलिटी में, और एक सेक्शन आता है DU बैटरी सेवर, क्लीन मास्टर एंड एवरीथिंग. हम लोग स्टार्टिंग से बनाया जा रहा है दैट वी नीड एनी सेपरेट एप्लीकेशन टू क्लीन स्पेसेस, टू क्लीन जंक मेमोरीज एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड that we need to download an application that will help us to save the battery. That is completely a bogus thing. That is fake, that is false, whatever you want to say. I itself have gone through multiple genuine articles. Android phones, iOS phones are self-optimized. You don't need a separate application to free your space, free your junk memories. If the companies have invested so much amount of money to create a phone, to create a handset, then obviously they have invested as well in managing junk space, junk memories as well. So you don't need to worry about that. You don't need any separate application. But still, if you want, रुक जाओ यार. If you want, you can download Kaspersky, Battery Lifesaver, and Booster. The link will be given in the description and the name will be given in the description below. Yes, अभी आता है UC News इस सेक्शन पे. Tell me one thing, do you really need UC News? Because I have applications like all the news channel application like Times of India, NDTV installed in my phone, and I get to know all the news instantly as soon as they come as a breaking news or something. So we don't need any UC News to go through the news. there is no need of this application at all. You can download any news channel, Hindi, Bengali, English, anything you want. So that is not needed. Now here comes up. Now next comes up MI video call. Do you really use MI video call? All my friends who are using Redmi phones. I had Redmi phones, but I have never used MI video call. And nowadays video calling is so much easy to do. Even that is smoother than making a call. Voice call. We have multiple applications like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. WhatsApp, Facebook, Google Duo, all these applications you can go ahead and use करो. फालतू का क्यों अलग से वो application use करना. Again 2 minutes of silence for all the guys. Extreme sorry. So next section is camera. I know you all are hurted. You all are hurted about that Beauty Plus and ViewCam are bad. Those who have pimples, those who want to hide their कुछ भी, they use Beauty Plus and पूरा मुंह पूरा सफेद बना देते हैं. उसके बाद तो you know I guess, right? So don't worry, you can still whiten your face, you can still पूरा सफेद बना सकते हो. We have many apps for you like PicsArt. That is a very genuine app. I have used multiple times. And then Candy Camera. And there's an Indian application, Indian selfie camera, and one more is there, B612. These are the 4 applications. Do you think that you need Beauty Plus? Just download, just check out. I'm quite sure. Let me tell you one thing. India is not self-dependent. I have gone through multiple videos of influencers who have given facts, who have shown facts that yes, India is not self-reliable currently. But yes, in the span of 5 to 10 years, if we all are united, definitely we are going to be self-reliant, self-reliable and Atmanirbhar as well. But for that, what we need to do? For example, I will give you a scenario. We are not self-dependent currently in terms of electronic gadgets especially. Few days back, I had to buy a laptop because my old laptop was actually broken. It was not working properly, and I was not able to edit videos. I was not able to work as well. So I had to buy anyhow. I have gone through Flipkart, Amazon, and I did not find any product which is manufactured in India. Like I have gone through products of MI which is launched recently. I've gone through products of Lenovo. I like the product, but all are manufactured in China, and I did not find any product which are manufactured in India. So I had to buy this Asus laptop. This one is manufactured in Taiwan, China. I did not have any option. I had to buy this. So in this kind of situation, if you're not able to continue your work, you had to buy, and please go ahead and buy. फालतू का बोल के फायदा है नहीं. बॉयकॉट करो तो क्या हम लोग काम छोड़ के मतलब बेटर है? That is not possible. But in some situation, one more situation I'm going to give you. Like few days back, I actually wanted to buy an AirPod. That was for luxury, as you know. तो हेडफोन तो है बहुत सारा मेरे पास. But I always wanted to buy an AirPod. Apple AirPod will cost me 14,000 rupees, and I saw in Flipkart sale was going on that Realme AirPod was in sale. It was launched recently. It was going to cost me only 3,000 rupees in the sale, whereas Apple AirPod will cost you 14,000. But I dropped the plan because if we want to boycott Chinese product, this is a time. In this kind of situation, you can stop buying things from the internet or from the shop or something. Then only at least we are helping our India to some extent. Laptop मैंने खरीद लिया, but for luxury purpose, I wanted to buy an AirPod, but I haven't, because वो luxury के लिए है, and ये मेरा need है. ये अभी इंडिया में नहीं बनता है. You have to buy. So please do that. जो एकदम necessary है, which according to you, which is essential, and you don't have any alternatives, please go ahead and buy it. अगर luxury के लिए तुम कर रहे हो, try to find an alternative. So I hope I am able to convey this message to all of you. I guess you understood. We should boycott Chinese product. Our India is emerging. Our India is now competing with China, and we as a citizen we should help. So आज के लिए इतना ही. बहुत जल्दी मैं और एक ट्रैवल वीडियो लेके आने वाला हूँ बाय दिस वीकेंड मोस्ट प्रोबेबली, और उससे पहले ही एक ट्रैवल वीडियो आने वाला है. एंड विद इन 2 weeks, as I have shared in my Facebook page, as I've shared in my WhatsApp, that very soon I am coming with a play which is very different. I haven't tried this kind of things in the past. Script is ready. We all are working hard to create this video, and if it is successful, I am quite sure enjoy करने वाले हो यार. And in that video as well, I am going to convey a good message to the society as well, because I think सिर्फ मतलब वीडियो बनाना और कुछ बना, अगर उस वीडियो से किसी को अच्छा ही ना लगे ना, मतलब मार्केट में नेगेटिविटी है, मैं अगर कुछ पॉजिटिविटी ना शेयर कर पाऊँ, कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है ये सब क्रिएटिविटी. So thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Subscribe कर दो यार, 2000 बना दो, अगस्त तक 2000 बना दो यार, please. So till then, see you in the next vlog. Shubhadev signing off. Bye bye. Uninstall करो यार. चलो, back up.